Hello everyone, this is David Lewis with another motivational thought to start your week. All of the things that are critical for the realization of true success, there is nothing more important than personal development. If life teaches us anything, it is that there is always room for improvement. Regardless of how good you are at something, you can always be better. High achievers understand this and they rarely take their success for granted. Successful people never stop growing and are always looking for the next opportunity or resource to improve their skills and abilities. They know they are good at what they do, but they're always eager to find the next challenge to overcome or the next milestone to reach. They're the first ones to find areas where they can broaden their scope and the last to boast about how much they've already achieved. They don't look to the crowd or the competition to set their goals and aspirations for them. They set their own goals and view themselves as their strongest competitor. When they've reached one peak, they set their sights on the next level they want to achieve and make preparations for what it will take to get there. Ernest Hemingway summed the value of personal growth and self-improvement in the following very powerful statement. He said, "There is nothing noble in being superior to your fellow man. True nobility is being superior to your former self." You see, that's the mark of a truly successful person. They're not in a contest to be better than someone else. Their goal is to be better than themselves, better than they already are, and try to reach higher and achieve more in order to experience all that life has to offer. They don't blame others for their lack of results or success, nor do they depend upon anyone else to take them to the place they ultimately want to be in life. That doesn't mean they don't look to others for wisdom and guidance. But it does mean that whatever they learn to help them along the way is up to them to apply to their lives, as well as to act on the principles or lessons they can gain from others. Successful people are motivated about continuing toward a higher goal. Professional sports coaches have a lot to say about this aspect of being a winner. They believe that winning doesn't stop with their last achievement, that they must continue to press on and become better and better than they were the day before. Everybody wants to win, but a champion knows that losing is not an option. One of the secrets to being successful is to live in the present. Truly successful people don't focus on the past, and they don't just live in the dreams of the future. They know what they want to do today is what will make the future they want to become real, or be just a pipe dream that they'll never achieve. They see the future as something to aim at and to capture as a result of what they do today. By growing and challenging to become even better, they make that future become a reality in their life. In today's world, there is a vast wealth of resources available for anyone who truly desires to experience personal growth in their life. Information abounds on any topic, and there are experts on nearly every topic who have proven what they teach and are willing to share it with those who truly want to become winners and listen. Always remember, though, unsuccessful people are busy keeping up with the crowd, whereas successful people are leaving the crowd behind and trying to catch those who can be seen in the distance up ahead of them. So be a success and set your sights on what is ahead of you, not what lies behind you.
Try DLA Online and DLA Live to discover why the top automotive professionals already have. For more information, visit our website at www.davidlewis.com or call us at 321-435-6000.